Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to log out of Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, as you can see, we have the wallet, we have the earn, discover, and your ledger, or my ledger. And in the middle, we have here where you can go buy device and send, receive, buy, sell, stake, or swap tokens and cryptocurrency, sorry. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of Ledger Live. So Ledger Live does not have a traditional logout button. However, you can secure your account by enabling the password lock feature. And here's how. You need to go, of course, open the application and go to the wallet tab and then go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Then open Ledger Live and go to settings, navigate to security. So when you went into the security option, you need to go and click on enable password lock. This will prompt you to enter the password each time you open Ledger Live or after manually locking the application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.